everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in this video, I would like to show you the way how you can set a time to use your Instagram application so you can manage the time to work and to play with your social media. Open your Instagram application. The next thing you need to do is just go visit your profile. Now type into these three straight lines on the top right corner. Click the settings and privacy. The next is just go scrolling down a little bit until you got this how you use Instagram. There could be two options coming up, notification and time span. Tap into the time span. The next, there could be a manage your time option. There could be a break reminder, quiet mode, and daily limit. Break reminder is just a notification that you will receive after several times you're using the Instagram. But then this function never gonna stop you to play with your Instagram. So if you want to have a restrictions, go click into this daily limit, tap on it, and just pick the time or the duration that you want to have. Let's say you only want to play Instagram 45 minutes in a day, so you just need to tap on the 45 minutes and just go click turn on. Make sure that the number here is already pumped up. And now, after 45 minutes playing with your Instagram, your account as well as your application will automatically turn off or out or close. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully, it helped you so well. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below. Don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching and let's meet again into other tutorial.